Hello sir, hello friends. Today I am explaining about mapping firm accurately in reverse engineering in UML class and models from C++. Presentation by Vamsi Krishna Saripudi. Now going to the introduction. The paper introduced a number of mapping rules to reverse the engineering in UML class model from C++ of source code. Now we will be explained with UML and C++ on source codes. The mapping also focuses on identifying the elements of relationship type and multiples and accurate of cinematics. The mappings are implemented in a reverse engineering tool like Flipper. Which of the tools are identified to match a modulartical size in C++ application, namely Hippodra. These two types of tools are used in UML and C++ to identify the size of C++ application, and reverse engineering tool of Flipper using in reverse engineering of UML class models and C++ of source code. Now going to the topic, reverse engineering analysis. Designing of recovery is a process to recovering the designing and decision of abstraction program of source code, recovery directly and comprehensions of reverse engineering. Figure 1. Reverse engineering analysis. Figure 1. There are three methods. One method and another one source model, another one matrix. Methods are going to the upward and sources are going for the downward, and those two are combined with a matrix. This is the combination of reverse engineering analysis, and it uses almostly a program abstraction analysis and static analysis and phasing and file and Alexa analysis. And source models are software clustering and call graphs and flow graphs and program size, abstraction of syntactic trees and token streams and symbol tables and character streams and lines and texts. We go for the matrices. Those are crystal quality and complexity and methods per a class and logical lines and codes and complexity and physical lines of codes. Those are shown in a reverse engineering analysis. These are also included in a legends type, computers, supporters, and abstractions. In reverse engineering analysis, there are only three methods. One method, source model, and software matrix. We go for the concept of UML. UML is a concept to be a reverse engineering. Those are required in an entity of classes, identifying of interfaces, identifying of data types and abstracts, using the property of items and identity readed only in abstractive and type resolution and multiplexing and relationship and association and aggregate of cinematics and realizations. The required analysis are simply facing is cinematic simple facing. Classes are only gone with simple facing and identifying the data types only going with in a cinematic analysis and domain knowledge. The abstraction goes on simple passing. Using in a priority of attempt, it goes on static analysis. Also a domain knowledge. Identity of reading only abstraction, it goes only on cinematic analysis and domain knowledge. A type of resolution goes only on cinematic analysis and domain knowledge. And multiples also goes on static analysis and domain knowledge. The degree of ability is only gone with none or medium high. Distribution of reverse engineering tasks. Those are interfacing of classes and data type of classes, also associative classes and abstractive classes and objective lifetime classes and implementing the interfaces. Mappings for reverse engineering. In this section, we define mappings for UML reverse engineering task with a degree of medium or high. The mapping defines a hierarchical based system and cinematic features are determined in analysis. Identify the type of classes. Is a title. The distribution of classes of interfaces of data types are cinematically important in UML. Interfaces, our methods to interface fairly in a straightforward. Our definitions of interface are borrowing O languages, namely like C and C++. The interfaces classes are defined only in public, like virtual, method, and declare in member variables and defining constructors and destructors. If they derived on a basic class, it must also be identified. So these are the mappings of reverse engineering. This is the code that which be produced by the reverse engineering. Mm, this is true of C++ interface. We only uses in this we take a syntax like structure I list. We only uses add, remove, content, and clear. Also, we are all giving the objects only 0, and the clear is also a 0, and the output you may go through for is also a 0. Now we go for the data types. Now we go for the data types. In UML, a data type is a one of that identifying only by its value of two instances having the same value and same instance. A string is also an example of data type. In order to identify the data types in a C++, we have to reply heavily how the classes are used in a program. Also, we can do our definition of C++ and data type are passed to the distinction of variations. A class that implements a public default constructor, a copying constructor assistance, and operating is a data type. In case a string class is also implemented in a constructor copy assigned in a cinematic that allows a POD means plain old data type. This is the code. In this, we use constant string, constant string, mm, and real. This is a simple curve, and we must know about this. Abstracts. The typically reviews, the typically reverse engineering application is correlated with UML abstracts with a class of member variables. However, in this model, we derive the architecture, model-driven architecture forwarded in engineering approaches and attributes are used to fit the differently. Our methodology for different attributes and classes is based on the collection of accessing of C++ member variability. Member variability. Also, we know about it. A reader writer property can be identified by the reference type, and many common are C++ type qualifiers consistent and modality and volate can have a little non-meaning because the types are in UML and simply refer to a classifiers. Also, we used in this source code the string and content string and guide mid and name. Those topics are covered by all the reverse engineering, multiplicity and identifying the association and a comparison of results and generalization and realizations. This is a picture shown from a part of comparison of results. compressions of results. Accessing model base, it was the one of the range one, and it goes one, and it also comes down, it goes C alone. So they use a range and double. So they use only range and double and access tricks and access tricks. The number of UML elements recovered through a various reverse engineering methods. The concept begins with reverse engineering is a classes and data types interface and attributes, operations and parameters and deoxygens. Reverse engineering method or reverse engineering method are two types: one entities, another one relationships. Entities are deoxygen and visual of paradigmatic and Microsoft Oven and Flipper. Also, these are also provided with the relationships also. Entities are classes and data types, interfaces, attributes, operations, and parameters. Relationships are also associated with share and competitive and generalization and relations. We go for a related work. In the privilegation method of intelligence models and reviewing engineering applications is to build a reverse engineering paralysis and analysis into existing UML model applications. Example, the Rose and National and Umbrella and Visualization and Pedagogic Ogra MLA. You take an approach of simple to over the implementation of C++ of reverse engineering. However, this work focused on a modeling of C++ and syntax in UML are recovered by designing of abstraction involved. Mm, These also are a aggregation of cinematics. These are also an aggregation of cinematics. For example, numerical approaches have been designed by reverse in Java associated with related information from C++. Now going to the topic of conclusion and future work. In this paper, we discussed in inconsistency reversing engineering applications due to the cinematic gap between UML and C++ and non-disclosive policies of those applications. We have implemented them in our own reverse engineering applications of Flipper. We are used to reverse engineering in HippoDraw. It was produced by UML model and compatible to those products by other reverse engineering applications. Moreover, we plan to refine the architecture of HippoDraw to allow even more users or customized. This work is supported in a part by a grant from a National Science Foundation. This is about mapping and accurate of reverse engineering in UML class and models from C++. These are the references. Coleman. These are the references. Coleman. Coleman is application of UML and Psychofly. Psychofly is also a reverse engineering software of IEEE. And Tolman. Tolman is a C++ reverse engineering class diagram. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Have a nice day. Bye.